And I got us another little surprise. I've been building a UDS, ugly drum smoker. And mine is ugly. Alright. Part one of my UDS ugly drum smoker. Got a barrel from my buddy. Paid 20 bucks for it. It's got some kind of resin in it, so I'm burning it. Getting all the resin out of it. It wasn't a lot, just a thin film in it. I'm making us a smoker. Well, this is nowhere far from being done. I've got to get my stuff for here. I got to get my bracing for there, my pipe, my ball valves, and I got another one on this side. I've got the other fittings and stuff, but I got to do something different with my way I secure it in the hole. I just don't like that, and got to get the other elbow. Well, I got the elbow. I need the piece of pipe and the other ball valve. The top's a little tight coming off, but I just got to do a little bit more work with it. Like I said, this is the wrong type of barrel to do a UDS with. The easy way you can get the tight, it's got the lid clamp on it with the bolt. I couldn't find one, so I got this one from a buddy of mine.
Daddy, is it hot?
No, it's not hot, babe. I got this one from a buddy of mine for about 20 bucks. Don't do that. So, salt, you're gonna get cut. I gotta clean all it up. I still got to paint it. I don't know what color I'm gonna paint it. Make sure I get the right kind of paint, you know, heat resistant paint. It's probably gonna be black.
Black?
Black, yep. Black.
I wanna see what's in here.
Alright. Here, hold the screwdriver for today. Got the grating in it. Got my wire basket in it. Fired it off last night. Got my basket down in there. It's gonna cut you now. I got it cleaned up. Got a piece of grating so the ashes would fall down in there. Put the basket down in there. Put my coals in it. Not coal, whatever you want to use. It shouldn't cut you, but you gotta be careful the way you handle it. Put the grating down in there. Meat in there, brisket, ribs, chicken, whatever you want. Like I say, I fired it off 5 o'clock yesterday with about 3.5, 4 pounds of charcoal. And I still don't have all my airflow corrected the way it should be. Yeah, man. Big, nice, thick barrel. It's not no thin metal, pop metal barrel. Yeah, man. It's gonna work good. Taking my lid, taking that lip, and I'm hammering it down so it's nice and flat. I'm gonna clean it up with the grinder. And we're gonna smoke some shit. That's what we're gonna do. About halfway through it, I fired it off last night, and it held good temperature. I don't even have all my valves on it, everything on it. So I couldn't find the right kind of barrel. Barrel that has the top on it. I had to cut mine on the seam. As you can see, there's a seam. This barrel's about 30 years old, 20 years old, something like that, 25. It's rolled down together, so I cut that seam. I know this kind of looks ugly right now, but I'm gonna get all that cleaned up, buttoned up where it all looks nice. I got it all hooked up inside. I think you can see it in there from the basket. I had about, I don't know, 2.5, 3.5 pounds of charcoal. It stayed hot for like 6 hours, 250 degrees. So worked out good. So here, All right, guys. Sorry about the long delay in some videos, but it's been pretty busy. You been what?
We've been like moving in a lot.
Yeah, we've been moving. We're moving. Got a lot of stuff. So we're gonna get back at it. We're gonna go from the camping 1, 2, 3 to showing y'all what we're gonna do with our beautiful new place. We're gonna do some building. Got some projects inside the house. We got some sunroom. We got an outside laundry room. We're gonna get it going. We gotta put down some hardwood flooring and many other things.
Probably one day we'll show you the whole house.
Yeah, we'll do a video on the house.
Show you our shed.
Got some new fire barrel made. A buddy of mine hooked that up. Got a little bit of wood. Got the Jayco sitting still. She's cocked and ready to go. All I gotta do is hook to her and get a spot. Here's the shop. Let me back up so y'all can get a. This is the shop that I'm going to get fixed up. You can see all the boards is rotting on the front. They're rotten, but the plywood on the inside is like 95% good. It's just got some rot up front, right up front here. I got covered up. I got all my stuff in here, which is I'm lost with all my stuff, which I'm not saying I was organized in my other shop, but I knew where everything was at.
The other shop was organized.
Yeah. But this one, I got all my stuff piled in it until I get this shop remade, get the floors done. And I've got enough tin. To come off of that side, up, out that way, 8 foot, up this way, 12 foot, all the way around, and then back that way, 8 foot out, and then 12 there. And I'll have maybe a door coming on that side. The shop's gonna be turned that way. And on that side, I might have a little kitchen, so I'll close that in. And I'll have it joined out here, so it won't be just a lean-to here and then one there, and then you got a spot you get wet there. But all this shop's gonna, let me back up so y'all can see. So the shop is going to turn from this way to that way. So I'll have a drive-through to come through from the driveway down this way into my backyard. Now, my next option was to put the shop over there, which I've got enough wire to run from my electrical box to over there, which I still hadn't shut that down. So that might happen. We might put it in that area over there. I kind of like that spot. Got to trim some trees up, get it off the house, and I'm loving it. I love this place. What you think about the new place? Good to go? Me too. I love it. All right. Good evening, guys. First weekend of November. We're gonna try to start up some more videos.
Sorry he hasn't been on it for a while.
Yeah, she knows I hadn't posted done. What's up? Back again. So back to the new property. When I got here, all this was growed up. You couldn't even see the highway. I got there and cut all that out with a chainsaw. I didn't even have a chainsaw. I borrowed a buddy of mine's chainsaw. He ended up selling it to me for a reasonable price. Brand new chainsaw, Skill, top of the line. So I'm awesome. I'm happy with it. So I got a lot of work to do. Still got to clean the ditch bank up, all on that side. We're gonna remove some of these trees. Probably this Bradford pear is gonna go. This cedar tree here, I'm probably gonna cut it down. I'm gonna cut it into some boards. Got a little project I want to do with that. We're gonna make some videos there. Probably some other trees too. I'm not sure about this tree. Probably gonna take it down too. One problem though. I will. We got light lines all in the trees. And I'm not too fond to cut the tree down in the light line. So the power company's supposed to come along, trim the top of them out, and then I'm gonna cut the rest of them down.
Last time he caught something.
Mailbox post. We made that. Has some scrap lumber around the house. Mailbox. Made that a while back. before you moved in. All right, let's get away from the highway. Come on.
Daddy, blink the
We live down a major highway. Cars coming by every day. Still not used to that.
Daddy, blink the
About it. They're camping 1, 2, 3. Well, I hadn't made no videos in a while. There's a reason for it. We moved from our previous house, which you can see got a big old backyard. Been doing a lot of work, cleaning up, cut some bushes down all around. You can see on up to the house. That's our house. Got 2 big old oak tree and then another big old some kind of tree. Got some new place, man. Started a new adventure in life. I'm loving it, really am. So I got a little, about to reach 100 subscribers. That's big to me. I never thought I'd even have more than 10, but I'm coming up on, check a while ago, it was 96. So I've been averaging about 2 a week. So maybe a couple more weeks, I'll have 100 subscribers. We're gonna go through a little transformation on my channel. I'm gonna go from the little camping channel I had, you know, my little pop-up, which we still have. I got the old Jayco still right there. Right there. I don't have the shed I had before. I'm going to be doing some work to this shed. I'm going to move it to there, right along in there. I got to redo the bottom, put a new floor in it, spin it around, put a couple of lean-tos on it, make it man-caveable. Man-caveable is going to be the theme. We'll go through redoing the flooring, first tearing it down, well, picking the top off of it, fixing the floor, setting it back down on top of it. We can go through a couple of videos redoing the shed, turning in something where a man can survive in. How about that? Little kitchen, outdoor kitchen, work area, so on. If you like the videos, like them, hit the bell, subscribe to them. I'm 6 subscribers away from 100 subscribers, so and that's big to me. I didn't even think I'd have 10. So hit the subscribe, and maybe y'all like some of my videos, and it allowed me to get better at editing too. So all right, have a good day, happy evening, take it easy.